you're tired of personal care and bathroom items that don't live up to the hype, you're going to want to watch today's episode. I'll be featuring things from Amazon, Walmart, Dollar Tree, and more. These are the best savings, the best quality, and take up the least amount of space. Well, the shower is the first place we start in the morning, and if yours is as cluttered as mine was, with personal care items and bottles of all kinds of shampoo and body wash, you're going to love this product from a company called Kitsch. Instead of managing giant bottles full of product, Kitsch has these small shampoo and conditioner bars that you use just like soap to wash and condition your hair. I'm giving you a link to this rice water shampoo and conditioner from Kitsch. It also comes with these little bags that you can use to hang the soap up to let it dry really easily. And I'm going to show you a couple other products from this company as well. Now you can see how little space these bars take up in my shower. And what I really love is this self-draining container, also from Kitsch. There's a link to that below. This video is not sponsored by any of the companies I'm going to represent, but I want to show you products that are going to make the very most of your space if you live in a small or rental home. I have been using the scalp massager from Dollar Tree for a little while now, but I've got to tell you that the scalp massager from Kitsch is so much better. I wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week, and I have used these bars for about a month now. So even though they're a little bit more costly, I really think it's going to come out about the same for me. And I love the fact that I have so much extra space in my shower. I'm Shannon from Skip to My Life. Welcome. We are talking about how to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. And here is one of my very favorite personal care items from Dollar Tree. This pure silk shave cream comes in 3 different scents. I really prefer the sensitive skin, non-scented kind, and the bottles are also recyclable. You can find the exact same product on Amazon for just under $4. You can pay a lot more for these shower combs, but why bother when you can get them for $1.25 at Dollar Tree? And they're so practical and so adorable. Since we're saving our pennies on things like that, we can splurge a little bit more when it comes to something really important like dry skin relief. If you only have space for a few items in your small bathroom, Cetaphil lotion is one of the best around. My dermatologist recommends this for my sensitive skin, and I love the non-greasy feeling. One of my goals this year is to save money on non-essentials so I can spend a little bit more on things like this that really make a huge difference in my self-care. These 2 makeup brushes from Real Techniques have been a game changer for me. I've just used cheap brushes in the past, but I'm finding a huge difference with the coverage and the ease of use that I get from these brushes from Real Techniques. And as I said before, none of these are sponsored by any company. They're just my real opinions on things that are going to make a huge difference and make the very most of your small space. The larger brush is great for powder, and the smaller brush is really dense, and it's great for cream foundations and blushes. If you have a tried and true beauty product or self-care product, share it below in the comments. I would love to know what your go-to products are. If you wear glasses or contacts like I do, having a magnifying mirror makes a huge difference in getting ready in the morning. This rechargeable wall-mounted swivel mirror has both a regular side and a 3 times magnification side, and it has 3 different settings for light. Because it mounts to the wall in even a really small space, it's going to keep your counters clear, and you can put it away whenever you're not using it. Now, I'm also linking to a 10x mirror, which I love and use frequently. Nothing is more luxurious than a really wonderful bath towel. And let me tell you that Walmart has really upped their games when it comes to bath towels. Now, I would stay away from their store brand, Mainstays brand. These towels are thin and they fall apart easily. But the Better Homes and Gardens brand is luxurious and thick. I'm linking below to some of their towel and washcloth sets that will really stand the test of time and not break your budget. If you have a really small bathroom, you may struggle with hooks and towel racks that stick out of the wall. We had some that we used to always run into and get bruises. So I am trying these command strip hooks on the back of my bathroom door. Now you see that little white patch where I removed the tiny hook that came with this space and just was not functional at all. So the first thing I did was removed that hook, and I'll probably cover it with something or maybe add an additional hook later on. But to mount these command hooks, you want to prepare the spot you're going to put them in by putting a little rubbing alcohol on there and removing any residue. Then you simply mount those command adhesive strips to the back and then mount the hooks to the wall or whatever surface you're using. Each hook holds up to 7.5 pounds. So I'm looking forward to using these for wet bath towels, house robes, and other items that I normally would have had on the wall or sticking out that made it difficult for us to maneuver in this space. Not only are these hooks really sturdy, but you can remove them without leaving any marks when it's time to move on. Having a non-slip bath mat in your tub is a safety issue, and I found that the ones from Dollar Tree just did not do a great job. So I'm showing you one from the store at home. I love this bath mat for a lot of reasons. First of all, it's really long and covers the whole bath area. Secondly, it has wonderful suction and does not slip. And lastly, that stone texture is so fun and looks great in the tub. Speaking of safety, I'm going to introduce you to this tub safety handle. Now, my husband originally got this for me when I had surgery last year, and I was not too crazy about it because it's one of those things that makes us feel and look like we're old, right? But I soon learned that it's a great little tool if you have problems with joint mobility, getting in and out of the tub, or you have safety concerns. This would even be a nice addition for kids who need safety in the bathtub. And the best part about this is that you can take it on and off to clean that tub or when you may not need it anymore. I don't know anyone who loves spending lots of time cleaning their bathroom, so I'm going to show you a few time and space saving options. First, this hair stopper from Walmart, you simply place in the drain of your tub. Now, I thought it would be a little gross to show you our hair going down the drain, so I'm using pink string instead. So these little pink strings are symbolizing different lengths of hair, and as you can see, while the water is running, these are attracted to that drain stopper, and it does a wonderful job collecting them. To clean it, simply run a toothbrush around those strands, remove them, and you're good to go for next time. This little device could save you a lot in plumbing bills. I like to keep my bathroom cleaners really simple unless I find something that really blows me out of the water. So I am going to introduce you to the Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Cleaner along with a squeegee from Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree has a new type of squeegee now, which I'm showing you here, that actually fits on one of their broom handles. This one spray product is going to eliminate scrubbing your whole shower as well as your tub. So you simply spray it on from 12 to 18 inches away, wait 3 minutes for it to do its job, and then just rinse away the soap scum and grime. Once you've rinsed it away, you'll just go back over it with that squeegee and your walls in your tub will sparkle. Now, if you want to keep this up in between cleanings, I suggest you keep that squeegee in your shower and squeegee between showers. If you'd like even more from Skip to My Life, don't forget to click on the free 14 pages of household labels and you'll be signed up for my weekly email newsletter. I've used Dollar Tree toilet bowl scrubbers for years because they come with their own little holder, and I don't believe in spending a lot on toilet scrubbers, but I am going to show you a cheat for cleaning the outside of your toilet, and that is using this Bissell hand steamer along with this detachable toilet seat lid. I wish I had this method when my kids were smaller. It would have made my life so much easier. Instead of trying to get in and around all the nooks and crannies of that toilet seat lid, all you need to do is detach it, thoroughly clean it, and then reattach it to the bowl. Instead of harsh cleaners, I use the Bissell hand steamer, and it thoroughly cleans this area as well as my mirrors and every other part of my bath. This is a Bona spray mop for hard surface floors. And I'm going to show you why I really like this product, but also why it's great if you live in a smaller space. Inside the box is the wand, and this is where that cartridge of fluid goes. And there's 3 pieces, 2 pieces to the pole. I'm not reading instructions here, so I will show you how this, if this is easy or if it's not easy. So that piece is on, and then we're going to connect the bottom sweeper piece. And it looks like this goes on this way. So like I said, I'm not reading instructions, and I always like to do that for you all to see how easy it is without instructions. Now, this is one of my favorite things about this system. This is the biggest cleaner cloth I have seen. And this system comes with one of these. Most of their cleaning systems come with 1 or 2 of these sweepers. The system is meant to be used with this little cartridge, and the cartridge already has the Bona fluid in it. You can actually purchase this separately, the Bona fluid separately. And the main reason I love this is because there's no landfill waste with the system. You can refill this with whatever you like, with whatever cleaning solution you like, just by unscrewing the top and refilling it. And it comes with their solution, so obviously they're hoping you'll invest in their solution, but you can just put hot water in here if you want. It's not doing it. Okay, so we're gonna take the lid off. It just snaps in like most of these do. And so you never have to buy a new cartridge for this. You're gonna be using this and refilling it. Push button release. So when you wanna take it out, you push the silver button and release it. No cord on this, there's no electricity. It's just all by this little squeezy handle, and we're going to give it a go, and we're going to see how we like it. This system is really comparable in price to a lot of the popular sweepers, but what I love about it is once you've invested once, you don't have to spend extra money on mop head replacement and fluid cartridge replacement. The head of that mop swivels to get in all kinds of tight spaces, and because it's so wide, you really only need a few passes. Now, once you're finished, you simply remove that mop head and throw it in the wash. Don't dry it and don't use fabric softeners, just line dry, and you're ready to go for next time. When you're ready to store it in your closet or small space, you simply put that mop head in the upright position, and it really fits in a very tight space, ready to go for your next cleaning session. If you wear long wear lipstick or waterproof mascara like I do, you may have the problem of getting it stuck in your sink. So I'm going to show you a little demonstration of a hack using a Dollar Tree product. Now, most of the time when you try to clean these types of makeup, they just smear. So get a makeup remover towel from Dollar Tree, some nice hot water, and that makeup will come right off. Now, if you still have a residue, like I did during this demonstration, use just a tiny bit of Barkeeper's Friend, and your sink will be shining bright. These cute little makeup remover cloths do a great job removing eye makeup as well. If you like the look and durability of Lucite products in your bathroom, it's really tough to beat Dollar Tree prices for organization. I use Dollar Tree products all over my small bathroom to make the most of the backs of cabinets and to make my counters look uncluttered. One of my favorite organization solutions from Walmart is these vinyl front wood look boxes. Now these collapse down, but when you fold them out, they will hold 12 rolls of toilet paper in addition to any extras that you might want to stock up on and hold in your bathroom. If you're new to Skip to My Life, comment below and let me know how you found this community, and a great big welcome. Let's talk about some extra items you may want to include in your bathroom. These swivel head night lights from Dollar Tree are getting a lot of attention by YouTubers, and I can see why. They are light sensitive, so they don't stay on all the time, only when the lights are turned out. But you can swivel the head to make them point to the light switch or any other area you need to see at night, and then they conserve energy by going off when the lights are on. Dollar Tree is now telling us on their packaging which of the night lights are light sensitive, which I love. And the one I'm going to show you next is a night light that stays on all the time. The reason I like this one is because it puts off such a pretty little glow in several different colors. So this is a great addition to your travel bag. If you want to know for sure where that bathroom is when you go to a new location, this glowing light will tell you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button if you got a great idea today, and I would love to have you subscribe to Skip to My Life. If you're looking to revive some of your bathroom accessories, try this Rust-Oleum Marble Texture Spray Paint. I'm going to be demonstrating this in an upcoming episode, so stay tuned. And don't forget, my friend, that today is not the end of your story.